So fun story. I'm in a completely different shirt than what is in the rest of the video, but we had some problems, okay? I may have filmed this video, okay, like the makeup portion of it, gotten super hype, took my thumbnail pictures, slung on another shirt so I could do a different video, and then I'll be damned if I'm like, I didn't film an intro and I don't feel like putting on my other shirt again. So, hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here or just stopping by, hello, my name is Jennifer. I'd love it if you stuck around and subscribed to me. That'd be cool. We are in the middle of a 400 subscriber giveaway. There's a video live on my channel that you can go to and, you know, watch, get the deets, maybe enter a giveaway. So, this video, we're trying out a new palette from Profusion. This is an 8-pan palette. It's called the Electric Blues. I used 5 out of 8 shades, so I'm feeling very well-rounded on my opinion of it. It is super freaking cool, okay? I'm really digging this look. Normally, when you hear, or normally at least me, when I hear bright eyeshadow, like bright colored eyes, I always think a nude lip, and I don't know why. I mixed it up. I did a black one with this look, and I really am really liking it. So, I'm rambling, I'm excited, I'm pumped. If you want to see how I got this look and hear a little bit more about this palette, please continue to watch. If you liked it when you were watching it, give it a thumbs up down below. Obviously, subscribe to my channel and you can be entered to win a 400 subscriber giveaway, okay? There's lots of fun things happening in it. This is actually included in my giveaway. I'm super hyper, I'm really sorry. But I'm gonna get off here, stop rambling. Let's get into the makeup side of it. I hope you guys enjoy. I'll see you like in 5 seconds. Do we want a satisfying peel moment? Just... Oh, it's a cassette tape. Okay, that's cute. Sorry. Yeah, so Profusion Electric Blues 8-shade palette. I'm really excited. The only thing that I think might be missing out of here is a good inner highlight shade, but I already have one in mind if nothing in here works for me. So let's get into it. Let's do some blue makeup. I already have my eyelids primed with the ColourPop No Filter Matte Concealer Fair 00. It's just solid white, and I blended it quite a bit more down and up than I normally would, just because blues are one of those tricky shades that can come out really patchy or shitty. So I primed a little more than I normally would have, just so my eyes are very white and blank to start with, so nothing messes with the pigmentation of the shade. So I think I am gonna start off with Bermuda, which is the lightest blue in here. If you've not ever used a Profusion palette before, I definitely recommend to do your eye makeup first, because they're very good eyeshadows. They're very creamy and blendable and beautiful, but they're very powdery. So I'm just going to take this, and I believe this is definitely a Profusion brush that came in one of my bigger palettes. Just a fluffy crease brush, and I'm gonna throw this all over my crease doing windshield wiper motions. Nothing super crazy happening yet. Sorry if you can hear my baby girl crying. I'm pretty sure it's time for her a nap. So that was really pretty. It's a very nice pale icy blue, almost a little beautiful there. Now I'm gonna go in with Frisky, which is the next matte shade. This does have 5 mattes and 3 shimmers, and I'm gonna focus this. Oh, that's so pretty. I'm gonna focus this on my outer edge a little bit more, but still sweep it through my crease just to overall darken everything. Yes, I'm feeling it. Also, this is like the only shirt I could find that wasn't black that I thought would maybe look okay with blue. Walmart came through for me there. I'm actually gonna redo the Frisky, which is that second shade we just went in with, and I'm just gonna build this up a little bit more. You can do whatever eyeshadow like makeup shape you want. I tend to stick to a rounded out shape. I think that's what looks best on me. So now that we are here and I'm really jiving with it, I'm gonna take the same exact brush and I'm gonna go in with Enigma, which is like this super pretty navy. And I'm going to test it out way down here. Yeah, I'm liking that. And I'm putting this more on my lid than anywhere else, staying in that outer corner still and barely going up into the crease on my very, very outer edge. I saw this really, does anyone use Pinterest still? Pinterest is still like a thing, right, that people go through. I'm always on there like looking at house designs and like mom things, and I saw this really cool freaking eye look. I'll put it somewhere on the screen while I'm blending this in. It is so cool. It's like tie-dye and like my shirt and my eyes could be matching. I don't know if I could do it though. I never rehearse a look. I think I've said that like a million times by now. I literally just sit down and have like a color in mind or a palette I want to use and just go balls crazy. So I would definitely feel a lot more comfortable if I practice that one first, but I'm really thinking about trying it. So now that we have our outer corner pretty packed in there and pretty dark, this is such a pretty navy shade. Whatever's left on my brush, I'm barely putting pressure on my eyelid. I'm just so gently, I'm gonna sweep that into my very low crease, like barely, just to connect it all a little more and round it out. I am feeling this. I'm liking this. So, do I want to cut my crease? I have out the necessary tools to cut my crease, but do I want to cut my crease, or do I want to see if maybe I can just make these work without it? So I definitely wouldn't use Addictive on this one, although that is such a pretty shimmery navy blue. But Idol and Dive are also shimmers, so I'm gonna swatch them quickly. These eyeshadows are so stinking soft. Oh, those are all pretty. Okay, hang on. This is Idol, this is Dive. I kind of want to go in with Dive just because, I don't know. Yeah, I want to go in with Dive because that would, I mean, do you, but I want to go in with the darker one. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm gonna start with my brush dry and just loading up some color on just a flat shadow brush, and let's see what we can get going. I really don't want to cut my crease. I am creating a faux cut crease though, which is what I used to always do because I could not cut my crease. Like, could not fucking do it to save my life. I'm just kind of packing it on, laying it down and making sure to really press it down to start. I mean, it ain't terrible. It ain't the best. It ain't horrible. But what I'm gonna do to try to bump it up is just spray some setting spray on it. You can use water, you can use any setting spray you have, and just redo that. And see, it already looks a lot better. So I don't think I'll have to build this up a ton because it is so pretty. You want to do the packing and patting motions though, especially when your brush is wet, because it can create some weird shit happening on your eye. So I'm not fully putting this over into that navy like I normally would. That is so freaking cool. Okay, sorry. I don't delve into blue a lot. I'm gonna go back in with that original crease brush in Enigma, which was that navy. And not a lot of pressure, not a lot of product. I'm just going to kind of redo that outer corner and feather it over onto, what was it called? Dive. Blues are extremely easy to become patchy quickly. So I'm just gonna kind of fuck with the shape a little bit. This brush is almost a little too big, so I'm gonna take a flat eyeshadow brush again. This one's just clean. I'm just going to continue to bleed everything together. And I'm gonna create that little cut in my crease to make it look like we cut our crease out a little bit more, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so quickly let me hop off of the screen, do my other eye, throw on some eyebrows and my face makeup, and we'll be back to finish out this look. I have some fun things planned and I'm gonna try really hard not to mess up, and we're also gonna clean up this fallout. So let me go do all of that and I will be right back. Super important thing we gotta do here. There's a strong chance you're gonna have some fallout, but it's gonna be okay. We're gonna fix it. So let's do our lower lash line. So the first thing I'm going to do is take a bigger, not dirty, just super stained brush. This is from Real Techniques. I have no idea which one it's called. It's these. And I'm going to go in with Frisky, which was that crease shade we did. You're going to want to tap your excess off like as much as you possibly can. And I'm going pretty low with this. My kid is out there having a ball apparently. So yeah, we're going really low. I want something dramatic today because this wasn't already dramatic enough to be a blue raccoon today. And that's exactly what I'm gonna get. Okay, so now that we have that laid down, I'm gonna take and throw things. So this is the brush we just used. This is the new brush, and you can tell they're the same shape, just one huge and one tiny. We're gonna take the tiny one and we're gonna go in with Enigma, which was the navy. And we're gonna follow pretty close to my lash line. And I'm gonna kind of connect it up to the navy that's on our top lid. You're gonna get this effect. It's gonna be lovely. Do it again. I'm feeling this. I know it looks weird. And while we have out this tiny brush, I'm going to outline that crease a little bit more. Could this potentially be considered drag queen makeup? Yes, but it's okay. We're gonna continue. And so I am gonna take that black. So, the highlighting. We've got to highlight, but I can't decide what I wanna do here. Do I wanna be like horrifically over dramatic or just like a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Like, what are we doing here? I think we're gonna go over the top, okay, because quarantine, why would we not? I'm gonna actually take Idol, which is the lighter shimmer shade that I decided to not use on my lid. And I'm gonna put this in my inner corner. And I'm gonna kind of connect it down to my lower lash line and blend it up into, that is so freaking pretty, blend it up onto my lid, just over that shimmer. What was that shimmer we actually used? Dive. We're just gonna connect it all. Oh God, damn, that is so cool. Okay, sorry, I'm living for this look. Yes, okay, I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. We're gonna put the palette away before I smear any more blue onto my eyeball. And I was gonna wing it out, but I don't think I'm going to. I think really, honestly, all I'm gonna do is a hella thin tiny little black line on both of my top lash lines. I'm not gonna do a wing. I'm gonna do a really thin black line just to hide my lash band. So I'm gonna hop off screen, do that, apply some mascara. I forgot to say, Physicians Formula Eye Booster in Ultra Black. This is CoverGirl Exhibitionist mascara. And for today, I'm gonna try these out. I don't think I've ever used this before. This is Salon Perfect Demi Wispies. So I mean, we're going pretty classic here. So let me do all this and we'll be right back to finish out the video. All right, so we are back. How you doing? This is a ultra dramatic look, but I'm living for it. Where was I? What was I doing? Oh. So if you notice, I accidentally hit my eye right there and the eyeshadow came up, so I'm just gonna take a super tiny little brush and kind of fill in that gap a little bit. We had a boo-boo. So we're done with the eyes. The only thing we have left is lip. And if you really wanted to, and you wanted to like stop with the dramatics, you could do a nude lip, but I'm gonna do black. I have a serious thing with black lipstick. This is the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit in So Nor Cool, and this is the NYX Liquid Lips Suede in Alien. This is more black, but this has a better applicator, so I go through and almost just outline my lips with this, and then I fill it in with this, if that makes any sense at all. So yeah, I'm gonna do that really quickly. Okay, we're done. As good as it's gonna get. My hair is going through some shit, okay? There's dandruff just a flying. We don't have to talk about it. We can just ignore it, okay? I tried to curl my hair and look somewhat presentable. Didn't go out very well for me. It's okay. It's okay though. We're killing it. I, for one, really like this look. Let me try to figure out my hair a little bit maybe. Does that look okay? I don't know, my hair is so black I feel like you guys can't even see it, but this is the completed look. I just hit my table with my knee. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up down below, and also just letting you know, this is the next video going up after my giveaway video, and I'm so freaking excited. Okay, let's get a giveaway going, guys. Okay, so you can go back and reference that video to find out how to enter and all of that good stuff. But if you were really feeling like extra cool, you could subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you're notified when I do upload a video. And yeah, I'm gonna get off of here. I hope you guys liked it, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye, guys.